Okay guys, so what you're gonna need to make this first part of this Lego pistol, you'll need one 5-hole technic piece, two of these, two of these, two of those, one of this which has 3 holes right here on both sides, and 3 holes right here. You'll also need a Lego technic piece which is 10 holes long, and here you'll need two 4-hole long pieces with a stud on both ends, and the normal one which is the same length but it doesn't have the end be round. You're gonna need 2 of these connectors, 8 of these, 4 of these, 1 of this, 27 of the black ones, 8 of the long ones, 6 of these, 1 of this connector. You're also gonna need 1 of this connector, this. Of course you're gonna need 1 of this. This is gonna come in one set. And you're gonna need 6 of these. And also 2 of these. Hey guys, for part 2 of the Lego pistol, you'll need 8 long connectors, 17 normal connectors, 2 of these, 4 of these, a rectangle which is a 2 by 10, 2 rectangles which is 2 by 12, a technic piece with 13 holes, and a rectangle with 9 holes, 4 of these, 2 of these, 2 of this connector, 2 of this connector, and 8 of these.